What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a character as your character. So first, I'm going to get out a rig from Avatar. So then once I have this rig, then I'm going to rename it into, you have to rename it into this. Character. So then once it's named that, as you can see, oh, wait, I forgot the C. Then I'm gonna also teach you how to change the face and also how to change its clothes. So first I'm gonna teach you how to change its face. So first go in head, delete this face, as you can see it has no face. Then go in home and then get out the toolbox. Then in toolbox, go to decals, I don't know how to pronounce it, and then I'm gonna write face. I'm actually gonna go in recent models and should I get this one or this one? I'm gonna get this one. Okay, now that you've got your face, put it in the head, and there. So now that it's there, I'm also gonna add this and put it in the torso. And it's also there. So then I'm gonna change the torso color to black because it matches the t-shirt. So then I'm gonna go in torso, get the color, and make it black. Okay, then I'm gonna change the head color into yellow. Actually, I think I should change it to like black or something, I don't know. What do you think I should change it into? White? No. For now, I am just gonna do a noob yellow. And then I'm also gonna do for the right arm, the left leg, the left arm, and the left leg. Okay, there. Now that your character's done, I'm also going to teach you how to add like a hat or something. So then go in toolbox, or you can make it. So I'm going to make mine. So I'm going to add a part. Ooh, wow. Why is it so big? Okay, and then I'm going to make my hat. You guys can make it too. Just make sure to group it. And yeah, just make sure to press this button when you're done it. And you can also use different parts to connect it. Okay, I made my hat. I'm gonna group. Okay, now it's all named model. So then, I'm gonna go in UA, I think, maybe in model. I forgot where. Okay, I'm gonna put this model. Hey, oh, what's going on? Put this model onto the head with the head. And then I'm gonna right click it. Actually, not gonna right click it. Then I'm gonna go in model, attachment, go the hat and add an attachment. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out of the head for a sec. But just put it in workspace. Okay, attachment. Put the attachment on the head. And then go select. Then I'm gonna move this onto the head. Ah, it's so hard. I'm just gonna kind of move it more properly on the head like that. More down, up, side. Okay, that looks pretty goofy. Okay, now that I have the head, I'm gonna put the model in the head. Bam, and bam. Okay, now you're gonna want to drag that starter card character into the starter player. And as you can see, it's gone. And then when you test, what? Wait a sec. I think I'm supposed to add capitals. There, maybe now. Okay, yeah, you're supposed to add capitals. Oh yeah, and also make sure to group the hat. Otherwise that will happen. And like, it rolls away. And next time I'm going to show you how to make a car. So, see you. Bye.